Abuyer says, does gang enhancement get expunged off your record? Does it affect you moving forward? So for U.S. immigration purposes, expunges don't exist, and that's a common mistake that people have, and I'm really glad you brought this up. If you have ever been arrested, ever had anything with the police, even if you're just arrested and let go, you have to tell U.S. immigration authorities when you're handling stuff. Even if your criminal attorney said it was expunged just off your record, that does not count for U.S. immigration purposes. Expungement only counts for maybe employment law stuff and other kind of things, but immigration does not matter. So if you had, I'm not sure what gang enhancement means, but if you had anything of the sort, you are technically supposed to tell the government, USCIS, the Immigrant National Visa Center, or I'm sorry, DOS, the people that handle immigration case, and if you don't, it's considered misrepresentation and fraud and could follow you and cause massive problems for you in the future. So please, please, please don't think that an expungement is a real erasing. So for the future, if you get one, or if you have one, don't not tell your lawyer because you think some other lawyer or person told you that doesn't count. It does. For immigration purposes, expungements are non-existent. And they create an additional problem is when you get a file expunged, those records either get destroyed or erased or something like that. For immigration, we need to have original or certified copies of your police and arrest records and conviction records. But if it's been expunged, it makes it harder to get those documents. So it creates a secondary problem as well if you need to get those together. So it's very problematic, but a lot of people don't know this. For immigration purposes, expungements do not count and are non-existent. So don't rely on expungement. You have to deal with any arrest or criminal history that you do have. Texas says, NC has passed a Second Chance Act. I have a felony. Would I be able to get expungement and be able to blah, blah? You didn't finish your sentence, I said blah, blah. Well, you know, that's a state law in North Carolina I'm not familiar with. And this is such a case-specific thing. You're going to have to talk with a lawyer in private to analyze what the situation is, what your crimes were, and how it affects anything. It's not something that we can answer over here.